Okay, beta. So as we are going to start today the word problems on the handling money. Okay. So ma'am has just shown you the first example here. Okay. We are just going to discuss this particular example. Okay. Suppose there are few items over here, and the first one is the milk bottle. The second one is the bread. Third one is the bottle of jam, and the fourth one is the chocolate. Okay. But here Amit wants to purchase only the three items. Amit wants to purchase only the three items. The first one is a packet of milk. The second one is pack of bread, and the third one is here. The third one is bottle of jam. Okay, and the prices are also given. Prices are also given here. So it means suppose we are going to find out the total price of each item of all these items. So the answer will be we are going to find out the answers by adding all these three items. Okay, the first one again here, the packet of milk, that is of rupees 23.50. The second one is pack of bread. So here 11.75. Okay, and similarly the third one here is the bottle of jam, and the price so for that is 35 rupees and 50 paisa. So in order to find out the total price, we are going to add all these items all together. Okay, but here the question is this, that when the Amit is having rupees 80 with him. Okay, suppose Amit is having rupees 80 with him. So find out the total amount of Amit has to pay. Okay, and as we have already discussed that the Amit is going to give rupees 80 to the shopkeeper, so how much amount the shopkeeper will return? So here Ishant Gupta, unmute yourself. Ishant, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me, beta, when we have already added all these three figures, the first one is price for the milk, price for the bread, and price for the jam. We have already added down. Okay. So how we are going to find out the amount for the shopkeeper will return when Amit gives 80. Yes.
First, we will add the amount of these items.
Very good. So suppose our answer is, suppose here our answer is, I was just going to show the answer. That is 70 rupees. 70 rupees
and 75.
70 rupees and 75 paisa after adding all these three items. Okay. And now the question is this, that if the Amit has given rupees 80 to the shopkeeper, and the total price of the items are 70 rupees and 75 paisa. So what amount the shopkeeper will return to Amit? Yes.
Ma'am, we will minus.
Exactly.
We will subtract.
Very good.
Amount of item.
Very good. From
80 rupees.
Very good. From 80 rupees. It means we are going to subtract the total price of these three items from the total amount given to the shopkeeper. That is rupees 80. Okay. And after subtracting, what will be the answer? Yes. Our answer will be rupees 9 and 25 paisa.
Amit gets
yes or
rupees 9.25 in return from the shopkeeper.
I hope it is clear. I hope
yes,
it is clear. Yes. So beta, we must take care of these things, that what particular operation we are going to perform here, means like addition, like subtraction, what we are going to do here. And the second one is this, while doing this operation, we must take care of these things. That first of all, we have to write down all these different amounts in the column method. Okay. And here we must take care of these things, that the rupees symbol, all the rupees we are going to have in the column format, and similarly the paisa in the column format. Okay. And dot means the point must be exactly in the same sequence. That is already given here. Okay, beta, you must take care of these things. And then we are going to subtract or add. We always start from the right hand side, and here the right hand side Paisa is always here. We are going to subtract or add the paisa first. Okay, and to find out the answer, we are going to move to the left hand side one by one. Okay, I hope this concept is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay. So now we are going to move to the book questions. Okay, exercise. So give me a second. Okay, beta. So here we are going to continue with the exercise 2B. That is totally based on the word problem. Okay. So here, Shivansh. Shivansh, are you ready for the first question? Yes, Shivansh. Beta, read the first question. Read the first question.
Samir went to the market. He bought a badminton racket for rupees 139.50, a cricket ball for rupees 89.75, and a set of cricket wickets for rupees 199. How much money did he spend in all for the three items?
Very good. So can you explain why Sabir went to the market? Yes.
Ma'am, Samir went to the market because he needed to buy a badminton racket.
Exactly.
Rupees 139 and 50 paise.
Yes.
A cricket ball for rupees 89 and 75 paise, and a set of cricket wickets for rupees 199.
Very good. So it means Samir went to the market to purchase three items, three different items. The first one is badminton racket, the second one is cricket ball, and the third one is cricket wickets. Okay. And in order to find out the total money spent on these items, what operation we are going to perform here? Means addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. What operation we are going to perform? Yes.
Ma'am, addition.
Exactly, addition we are going to perform. Very good, beta. So it means we are going to add the price of the badminton racket, the price of the cricket ball, and the price of the cricket wicket. We are going to add all together all these items to find out the total money spent on these items. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And how you can write down the statements over here? How you can write down the statement? Beta, you should at least try to write down the statement. So simple statement, what can be? Simple statement, what can be? Lavitra, keep your camera on. Lavitra, quickly keep your camera on.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
What means?
Beta, statement means what you are going to write down. How you are going to write down. You should understand these things. Statement means simple information about the different items, about the different prices you have to write down. Like, suppose the cost of badminton racket, you have to write down like this. Cost of badminton racket, that is equals to 139.50. Okay, and similarly, the second statement will be cost of cricket ball. This is the second statement. Okay, and after using the equals to sign, you have to write down the price. Okay, Shivansh, and similarly for the third statement, क्या लिखेंगे आप third statement में? Yes.
Ma'am, cost of set of cricket wickets.
Exactly. So simply what you can say, the cost of cricket wickets is equal to rupees 199. Okay, and to find out the total amount, so at the last in the statement, what you are going to write down, total cost or total money spent. You can write like this, total money spent. So this is the way to write down the statement. Okay, simply again ma'am is going to repeat. Ma'am is going to repeat the statement. First of all, the cost of the badminton racket is equal to dash. The cost of the cricket ball is equal to dash. The cost of the cricket wickets is equal to dash. Okay, and in the last, after adding all the different items, okay, we have to write down the total amount. So at the last, what we can write in the statement? Total money spent. Total money spent. Beta, your statement must be precise. Your statement must be simple. Okay. Is it clear, Shivansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, very good. So this is the way to write down the statements along with the solution. Okay. And this time you can mute. This time you can mute, Shivansh. Ma'am is going to take one more child who is going to give me the reply. 1 second. Who is there? Ujjwal. Ujjwal, unmute yourself. Are you ready, Ujjwal? Shaurya Goswami, beta, sit properly. Ujjwal, ready, beta? Okay. Ujjwal, you are not audible. You are not audible to ma'am. Yes. Speak something. No, not audible. Not audible. Yes. Ujjwal, why you are not using your mic today? Yes, as you always use your mic. What is the problem? Yes.
Ma'am.
Abid, can you read the next question? Yes.
Veena and
Yes.
Sunil
Yes, Abid.
went to the
Cinema.
similar
Cinema.
cinema.
Yes. Means to
They
yes.
that they brought
Yes.
tickets for
Yes.
329.
Exactly. Exactly.
Popcorn
Yes.
for
Yes.
211
.75 paisa.
0.75 and
Paisa.
cold
Very
drinks
good. Yes.
and cold drinks
Yes.
drink for rupees 75.50.
15 paisa. Very good.
Find the total amount spent by them.
Very good. So, beta, what is given here? Veena and Sumit. Veena and Sumit went to cinema, okay, to enjoy movie. And what they have purchased there? Yes, movie tickets for rupees 329
and popcorn
and popcorn for rupees 211.75 and cold drink. And cold drink. Okay. So in order to find out the total amount they spent, can you tell me what we are going to do here? Yes.
Add.
Yes,
Add.
exactly. We are going to do the addition over here. And can you tell me how we are going to make the statements over here? First statement ma'am is going to make for you, and the rest two statement you will tell me. Okay, Abid? Okay, Abid?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So suppose
Yes,
the
ma'am.
first statement will be the cost of tickets. Cost of tickets is equal to 329. Okay. And second statement, can you tell me?
Cost of popcorns.
Exactly. Very good. The cost of popcorn is equal to 211.75. Very good. And the third statement? Third statement?
Cost of
Yes. Cost of cold drink. Very good. So the cost of cold drink is equal to rupees 75 and 15 paisa. Very good. So in the last, okay, can you find out the last statement? Can you give me the last statement? Yes.
total number.
Total amount spent. Total amount spent. At the last, you are going to write down with the solution total amount spent. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
total amount
ma'am.
spent, and you are going to write down the addition of these items. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now, ma'am is going to take few students for rest of the questions. Okay, beta. One by one, we are going to discuss about the rest of the questions. So give me a second.